Which of the following pair represent two scalar quantities is distance and speed? Which of the following is true about displacement of an object is it can be less than the distance traveled by that object. The branch of mechanics which deals with study of motion of material objects without taking into account the factors which cause motion is called as kinematics. Which of the following represents non-uniform motion is equal displacements in unequal intervals of time? What is the slope of the velocity time graph when an object moves with constant negative acceleration having positive initial velocity means more than 90 degrees? The motion of an object under free fall is an example of which of the following is uniform acceleration. The acceleration at a given instant of time t is called as instantaneous acceleration. What is represented by the slope of a straight line joining two points on a velocity time graph is average acceleration. The equation of motion v is equal to u plus at can be applied of which of the following cases? V is equal to u plus at is applied for acceleration is constant. So if a is constant, v is equal to u plus 0, v is equal to u. So the equation is always constant. Which of the physical quantities is a vector quantity is gravitational intensity? Which of the following are polar vectors? Both A and B means displacement and force together known as polar vectors. The magnitude of the resultant of two vectors is maximum in which of the following cases when both vectors act in the same direction? Two vectors are said to be equal if it has same magnitude and same direction. Which of the following condition is true for two vectors to be collinear acting along the parallel straight lines? Which of the following condition is true for an object to be in equilibrium? Is no linear motion of the object, no rotational motion of the object, minimum potential energy of the object is all of the above. A projectile will achieve maximum horizontal range at which angle 45 degrees angle it will be horizontal. What is the relation between velocity and acceleration at the highest point of a projectile path is both are perpendicular to each other? What is the work done by centripetal force in case of uniform circular motion is 0 joule? What is the relation between time period and frequency in case of uniform circular motion is reciprocal to each other? Here time period and frequency is reciprocal to each other. What is the angular acceleration of a body moving with constant angular velocity is 0. Which of the following is correct about kinetic energy during the projectile motion is it is minimum at the highest point? Which of the following is are independent of mass during the projectile motion is all of the above? What is the maximum height that can be attained by a projectile is 1/4 of its maximum range? Which of the following is not correct about vectors addition is vector of different natures can be added? Which of the following statement regarding vectors is not correct is a vector changes when it is displaced to itself? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.